Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a QR code for a website link. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so the first thing what we need to do is find that website you'd like to create as a QR code. So I'm just going to use my YouTube channel here for this demonstration, but this works for any URL. So I'm going to copy this and then I'm going to go to a site called QR code generator. Here's the URL here. You can do a Google search and then hit enter. Now once we're here, I'm going to paste in my YouTube URL like so, and on the right hand side you can see a QR code is going to appear. Now from here we can change a few things if we like, or we can leave it like that. So if you get your phone and scan that, it's going to take you over to that link you put in here. So we can edit the frame, so I can change it like that, choose different styles. Also, we can change the shape and color by clicking on a few of these presets. Also, we can change the logo if we like, so we can have Scan Me in the middle, like that. And now from here, we can download this as a JPEG if you like, and then share this to your friends and families or do whatever you need to do with it. We can go ahead and print as well if we like. But yeah, that's how to create a QR code for any website.